Hey, you guys, it's me again. By now, when you get to this point, you should have rewatched that first video on the FOIL method a few times, attempted the two assignments I had in there. There was one problem for the quiz. Well, it's an assignment, it's not really a quiz. And the second one would have been 6 problems in big ideas. I will grade those as soon as you're done. So now let's teach you the box method. In my opinion, this is the easier method and I really enjoy it. I just think it's fun. It's called the Punnett square or the box method. And if you paid attention in your science or biology class, you've probably heard of that before. So we're going to show you how to do multiplying polynomials using the box or Punnett square method. So when you have problems like this, we're just going to do these for this year. When you have two binomials, that means a binomial is an x and a 2, as you see in this first one, or an x and a 9. Two number or letter makes a binomial because there's two. Okay, so whenever you do a problem like this where there's 2 and 2, you draw a box with 4 squares in it. Okay, like that. And you make it into 4 separate pieces. That's what you're going to do for our big ideas assignment. On a separate piece of paper somewhere, you're going to make a 4 squared box to do the problem. Okay, we're going to actually do it for both of them. So we'll put one up here too. Okay, and now setting the problem up in these 4 squares is the biggest part. Okay, so let's do number 1. So x plus 2, it's all positive, so you're going to put an x and a 2. And the second one's going to go across the top. You have an x and a 9. None of it is negative. All the numbers and x's are positive. Okay, so that one's pretty simple when you set it up. Okay, on the outside of the problem, when you're working on the outside to get to the inside, you're going to multiply. Okay, so x times x will give you x squared. Okay, now to get this next box right here, you need to use your x and your 9. X multiplied by 9 will give me 9x. To get this bottom left box, I've got the 2, and you can see the x. Okay, they meet on this box. So 2 times x is 2x. Watch this video several times so you can see this happen in order to understand it, okay? And now to get this fourth box, the 2 and the 9, when you put those together, meet in this fourth box. 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, so you multiply everything on the outside to get the inside answers. And now when I'm inside the box, let me use a different color. I'm going to use orange. You need to find all the twins and add everything on the inside. Okay, so does x squared have any twins on the inside of the box? It doesn't. So we're just going to take it all by itself and bring it down into the answer. Okay, x squared is by itself. But as you can see, I do have 2 that have a number and a letter. 2x plus 9x on the inside of the box we're adding. A positive 2 and a positive 9 will give you a positive 11. And don't forget your x. And all that's left down here is this number. There's no other numbers to be a twin or add to it. So that positive 18 just comes down, and I cross it out to show that you've done every single number in the box. Watch that over and over again to see the method. Okay, and if you don't understand it, we can video chat or talk on the phone or anything you want to help you understand this better. Okay, let's do number 2. Let me change my colors. Number 2 has a negative in it. Okay, it's x plus 6 and x minus 5. Okay, so this is how this works with a negative. So your x and your 6 is your first binomial. Both are positive, go on the side. And across the top is your x And then you have to make sure you write the negative, -5. Okay, if you're having trouble understanding this, have your parent watch it with you, or a brother or sister, so they can help guide you. Okay. Okay, now we've got to do the inside. So you multiply everything on the outside. Okay. So x times x in this first square is x squared. Okay. And then the box to the side is x and -5. That's -5x. Okay. X and 6 multiplied together will give me 6x. And to make this far box is 5 and 6. A 6 multiplied by a -5 is a -30. Okay? I've multiplied everything on the outside to get all of my answers on the inside again. Now, you have to add everything on the inside and find all your twins. So let's switch back to the orange. Does anything on the inside match with my x squared? The only one. So cross it out and write it down as the first part of your answer. Okay, now you do see that I've got a number and a letter and a number and a letter. I have a positive 6x and a -5x. When the signs are opposite, you subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. It's going to be positive because the 6 is bigger and it's positive, and don't forget your x. And if you look, that -30 is the only number all by itself, so it's just going to come down. And you can cross it out to show that you've gotten everything done in the box, and that is your final answer. Okay, hopefully that's helped you. We can video chat through WebEx. We can do it just you and I together, or we can do it over a phone call, whatever will help you. But, watching the video several times will hopefully help you see this problem, over and over again to help you understand it. I'm going to leave you one big ideas assignment with about 5 or 6 problems in it again. Do your best, and then I'll go over it and give you a grade. Have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.